Quality and production are two distinct concepts that are closely related to each other in the context of manufacturing and service industries. Here are some of the key differences between quality and production. Focus. The focus of quality is on meeting or exceeding customer expectations by producing products or services that are safe, reliable, and meet all applicable standards and regulations. The focus of production is on maximizing output while minimizing costs, which often involves improving efficiency, reducing waste, and increasing productivity. Metrics. Quality is typically measured using metrics such as customer satisfaction, defect rates, and compliance with standards and regulations. Production is typically measured using metrics such as throughput, cycle time, and inventory levels. Goals. The goal of quality is to ensure that products or services meet or exceed customer expectations and comply with all applicable standards and regulations. The goal of production is to maximize output while minimizing costs and improving efficiency. Approach. Quality is often achieved through the implementation of a quality management system that includes processes such as quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. Production is often achieved through the implementation of lean manufacturing techniques, process improvements, and other operational improvements. In summary, quality and production are two distinct concepts that are closely related to each other in the context of manufacturing and service industries. While the goal of production is to maximize output while minimizing costs, the goal of quality is to meet or exceed customer expectations by producing safe, reliable products or services that comply with all applicable standards and regulations.